All right, here we go. Get those guesses in for the player on the last number parallel PYT 320 23 Origins 2 blaster box break coming up next. All right, we got 6-pack, 6 cards per pack. We can find the Big Bang and Pedigree inserts. We have hit those before. We'll have 2 numbered parallels, 2 negative variations per box as well. I'm trying to think of that word. You guys are guessing the player on the last of the numbered parallels out of these boxes. So the player on the last numbered parallel of the break can earn yourself 20 in credit. You can use in our store for any breaks, packs, or boxes. All right, here we go. Pack 1 from box 1. There's Amon-Ra St. Brown. Saquon Barkley. Buda Baker. There's a Jaden Reed rookie for the Packers. Keyshawn Butte for the Patriots. Zay Flowers on the startups insert. Will Levis, that's going to be a photo variation. There's CD Lamb. There's our first number parallel. That's out of 75. That is Hendon Hooker. That is 60 out of 75 on Hendon Hooker. Going to the Lions. Rashee Rice. Clayton Tune. Tyler Scott. There's Terry McLaurin. Kyler Murray. Chris Carter. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Dontavian Wicks. Aiden O'Connell on the Origins insert. We have Jalen Waddle. Odell Beckham Jr. There's Anthony Richardson. He's going to be our variation out of this box. Jalen Carter rookie. Cedric Tillman. Josh Downs on the startups. Next pack. There's Garrett Wilson. Alvin Kamara. Josh Downs out of 299. 204 out of 299 on the Josh Downs. Going to the Colts spot. Tank Dell. Jordan Addison. Israel Abanaconda. And we'll do one more pack here. And then we'll top load what we have. There's Derrick Henry. Going to Tennessee. Jalen Hurts. Kenny Pickett. There's CJ Stroud for Houston. Sean Clifford for the Packers. And Rashee Rice on the OG insert there. Still have time to get those guesses in for the player on the last of the numbered parallels. You do not have to be in the break to guess. Make sure you guys hit that sub button. Hit that like button as well on the video. We appreciate all the likes we can get as well. Grab your spots in those upcoming breaks tonight, or for tomorrow and Tuesday. All right, here we go. Next pack. We got Ramondre Stevenson. There's Anthony Richardson photo variation. Juju Smith-Schuster. Dalton Kincaid. Tank Bigsby. Will Anderson. Up next after this one is Don Russ Hobby Box 314 coming up next. Austin Eckler. DJ Moore. Will Levis out of 299. 115 out of 299 on the Will Levis going to Tennessee. And then Hooker. Dorian Thompson Robinson. Zay Flowers. 4 packs left. There's Levante David for the Bucks. CJ Stroud, another image variation. That's going to Houston. George Kittle. Jaron Hall. Bryce Young. Jalen Hyatt. We should have one more numbered parallel, guys. That will be the guess of the break. Let's see who it is, where it shows up. It should be in the next couple packs here. Might be this one. Just depending on Miles Sanders. DK Metcalf. Hendon Hooker is going to be our variation in this one. Sam Laporta for Detroit as well. Stetson Bennett and Devon Achane on the startups. Travis Etienne. Calvin Ridley. Dalton Kincaid is the guess. 6 out of 75 on the Dalton Kincaid going to the Bills. We did not have a Kincaid guess. It doesn't look like Shoemaker. Trey Tucker. And Devon Achane on the rookies there. Last pack. We have Mike Williams. Daniel Jones. Joe Burrow. Kendre Miller. Roshan Johnson. And Dorian Thompson Robinson. Let's top load what we have. Dalton Kincaid was the guest of the break, guys. Do our recap, then we'll move on to what we have next. Don Russ is up next. Okay, let's see the Sapphire break. All right, Steve, no problem. If that's what you want to do, I will do that for you. Thanks for letting me know. I appreciate you hopping into the breaks too and watching live here. All right, guys, this is the end of the Origins breaks. We're going to top load these. We'll recap those. They're actually some really good boxes. We got all the big time QBs in there. Like I said, we got the variations too. There's an Anthony Richardson image variation. Will Levis is going to be out of 299. CJ Stroud image variation. There's Bryce Young. Hendon Hooker on the negative variation right there. Dalton Kincaid was the last numbered parallel and out of 75. Will Levis image variation. Hendon Hooker was out of 75. Anthony Richardson out of, on the negative variation. Josh Downs out of 299. And CJ Stroud, rookie there for Houston. Okay, that does it for